Never ever tamper with fire alarms in any public building. You can't do that. These things are not toys. These are a life safety device. These are not meant to be messed around with. This is very serious stuff. Messing around with a fire alarm will put people's lives in very real danger. So you cannot play around with these things. You don't unscrew them, you don't paint them, you don't smash them, you don't pull them for fun. You don't open pull stations, you don't tamper with control panels or any other control systems for the fire alarm system. You don't tamper with detectors or flow switches. You just do not ever tamper with fire alarm equipment in public buildings for any reason. If you want to do these things to your own alarms, that is totally fine, but if you're doing these things to alarms in public buildings, that is not okay at all, so do not do that. Bye.